I got Chipotle and Doritos. Let's eat. I got 3 different sides. I got green salsa, guacamole, and red salsa. All right, let's dip in with the red salsa. Have a bite. I just woke up from a nap, so I got a little hungry. So I got myself a little snack. Let's go with some guac this time. Have a bite, have a bite, have a bite. You know I'm trying to lose weight, so we got a Coke Zero. Have a bite, have a bite, have a bite. Oh yeah. How about we try all 3 at the same time? Nah. I gotta go, this shit's spicy. Bye.